Well, hey there everybody, it's John. Say, I got something new for you today. Instead of vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers and cars and all that good nonsense, I was thinking, we've never actually done a carpet cleaning video. Now, what we have here is a Hoover SteamVac Gold, 12 amps. Believe it or not, somebody threw this in a dumpster. There's, well, not a lot wrong with it, and it has all the parts that come with it too. The reason they threw it out is if you look down here, this little hose snapped off, and that's an $84 hose. It's the entire accessory hose, and it broke down there. Also, what I did was I just wrapped some packing tape around it. Problem solved. So, it's already filled with solution. Uh-oh. What's this? That's not soda. What is that? Uh-oh, that was coffee. Well, what's this stuff here? It's kind of pink. Uh-oh, that was Kool-Aid. Well, let's get to cleaning. Here's the Hoover SteamVac carpet cleaner. Spin scrubber. Let's see how it does. Now this carpet was already dirty, so what the heck. I don't mind throwing coffee on a nice patch of carpet. Let's clean it. Well, not bad. That is the Hoover SteamVac with spin scrub technology. It's got brushes on the bottom of it that scrub your carpet. Now, if you've ever wondered just how you take these things off to clean them, there's a little tab right here and right here on the other side. Let's go ahead and we'll pull that off. I'll show you how, since I got the thing tipped up into the air. It's got it on both sides, front and back. You squeeze those little tabs. See? You just give them a squeeze and they pop off. Now be careful, because this tells you when they're spinning. There's a little window up here on the front that shows you that it's working, so don't break that. And you clean it and you wash it and you just pop it back in. Here's the gear that spins them. Turn it to the proper position and just insert it back in. Well, you gotta fight with it sometimes. There it goes. Alright, everybody. That's my review and use and how-to for the Hoover SteamVac Spin Scrub. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.